everyone. The video is just a video to see test sound. Now, I just literally just put that recording audio on mic, so I'm not sure if that means. Can you hear me, guys? But I'm also wondering if you can also hear the phone sound as well coming. I have no headphones connected because otherwise with them you cannot hear the sound from there. So there's no Bluetooth connected to there. But I was wondering, guys, if you can hear me. Can you hear me? If you can, please, I'll test the video out on the recorder on the thinker because I literally just switched to mic. And the video is just to test sound and audio. It's just a test video. What if I could do is to put on one of my videos. I'm going to put on one of my videos. So we're going to go to my channel, guys. Petkov. Know what it is. Enter. And test if there's sound. Because if there is sound, guys, I will keep the record. Trust me. I'm also going to have to make sure with other tests at the same time. If that's not how can I make a test where it's not just mic, it's not just phone sound, but it's both. You know what I mean? We're going to do the video. We're going to select a random video, guys, from my channel. As you can see, guys, I have lots of videos. We'll pick that. No, that's 130 videos, I think, from this time. We'll pick that one, 100, which was created like October 22nd. There's no video status box started.
We've done it, guys. We have 100 videos on the channel.
Okay, I heard that. 100 videos on the channel. But guys, did you hear the sound from there? Just to say, guys, this recorder is just a test. So the next video could be a few tests. Because next time it could be like where there's just, you can't hear me speak, but you can hear the video that I do there. Because I want to make sure that it does both. Otherwise, I really want to move on to a different recorder. And I don't want to do just one. I don't want to do just one recorder, guys.
It took a while, but we finally have 100 videos right here.
Okay, just to say, guys, when I'm scrolling like this with my fingers, if your video appears in my if your video, guys, appears in my recorder, don't tell me off, because that is not my fault. I do not control where the videos will be. Okay, guys, if any of these videos are yours, don't complain to me. Okay.
A new update page, the whole channel will change after the video. I'm going to speak about what
you can comment if you want me to blur your video out, but anyway.
Add in the new updates of channel. Lots of good stuff. For example, the 100 video. I could add.
Okay, guys, that was just a test to see. I will end the video in a minute, but did you hear any sound? Did you guys hear much sound that was coming from there? Let's pick that video. Let's go to there until the time I start to speak. Really? Is that true? Right, let's try that one. Wait, Dave! Hurry up! Load! Right, yeah, it's gonna load. Just give it a minute. It's like, cause I have the video on 2 minutes 30. Alright.
For whatever reason, I ran and I slammed the door. I pushed the door. And my door has been actually painted, guys.
Cause I was just to say, guys, that I have like yeah, my house has been changed like a few months ago. I have a different cover. Cause I've been planning to make a video on I plan to make a video on a house tour, starting from upstairs and drawing a map at first place. I have this plan of my video to do a house tour video. Right, listen guys, I plan to do a house tour because I just have a grey carpet in my corridor and in my room, so everything will be fine. I planned that for like weeks, but I never get the proper chance. There's just too much. When I have but these days there's just too much stuff around the place. There's just too much stuff, and I can't go through every room. So on January, guys, I'm going to after 5 days, guys, 5 or 6 days, I'm going to have a break from my videos, and you'll see me after a month. Okay, guys, not after the video, not after this one. Okay, guys, but.
So guys, exactly guys. And what did I decide to just run and?
Right, I'm not sure if you can hear the sound, guys. Can you hear it? Because I can. It's just a test. I got lost in the timeline with no escape, and I was very confused. These edits are late. Guys, I'm sorry about my update from the 100 videos. Has been late. I managed to do the video statues bar. Why does my face look silly? It's like, yeah, come on.
Exactly what's going on in that story. It was weird. I'm sorry for the last video's posted or the full second video, and I've put a different video, but I realized that it's the wrong file. So don't count that video. I am gonna delete it, okay? Don't count that video as a real video, okay? I'm gonna uninstall the video from the channel, okay? So this will be the next video from that.
Guys, can you hear the sound? Because I can. These videos are like on one of my club videos. Like I'm here. I used to act silly in my older videos. It's just a silly. I used to speak like in a very hey everyone, which is very silly. And I started speaking more normally there, but around here and tricky levels, tips and tricks. Okay, look at this video, guys. I just want to tell you. You see that video, tips and tricks in the Gario? You see that video right there, guys. This video has been saved from a video file. Okay? You see the title, guys? Now. See, I speak in a silly way. Now, guys, you see that video right there? Keep that video, tips and tricks. Keep that video stuck in your brain and come over here and see that. You will find out I have exact same video right here, tips and tricks in the Gario, but with a different thumbnail. A different, you see, it has the bubbles here instead of the words there. And this is actually, guys, the same video. And I did not re-upload the video. I just had the video into my file, guys. And I think I used the other account because I uploaded it on the incorrect account. You see, guys? You see, the same video. That was from a file, so I swapped accounts, guys. So what I did is I switched accounts after that and uploaded the video on this account, which is a bit silly because that was like, this is older than that video right there that says I think, which is because you can't really tell the difference, which is a bit confusing, but anyways, guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. You see, this is the chance I have like hundreds of videos here. But this will be very short, they just take that many times to upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.